In this tutorial, we will learn how to draw polygons. So polygon is a structure of 3 or more lines that is a closed structure, such as triangle, rectangle. Then after that, we will call them pentagon, hexagon, etc. So we can draw them by using polygon command. We have to go to sketch and then select a plane. Suppose I select this front plane, and here we can find this polygon command. Click on this polygon. In polygon, the first option is the parameter. This parameter is the number of sides. Suppose I take this number of sides 6, then we have inscribed or circumscribed. First let me take this inscribed to see the difference between them. So we will go to this working space. We have to specify a center point. Click in somewhere, center point, and we can see preview of a polygon. And in polygon, another two parameters are value of or the length of the sides and this angle of the rotation. So let me take this value, this angle is 0, and hide somewhere this. And this is the inscribed. It means this hexagon has an inscribed circle, and we can change the value of its side. Suppose I want this 50 and click OK. We can make it construction if we want for construction. Then it will be a reference polygon. So I click this polygon. Next type of polygon, as we know, is the circumscribed. So I will select once again polygon. Then this time I select circumscribed and take cursor in the working space. We will take the same parameters to see the difference between them. So I click somewhere in, and then the length we have taken in previous, we have taken 50, and this angle value I take 0 degree and click OK. So see the difference between two types of polygon. This polygon has a circle that is inscribed in this polygon, while in this type of polygon there is circle that is circumscribed in this polygon. It means its circumference is on end point of this polygon. In similar way, we can draw more polygons of some different sides. Select polygon. Okay, once again, suppose if we want to draw a triangle, I select 3 lines, we need 3 points, and then take cursor somewhere outside, and it will show the preview of a triangle. Click in somewhere and then define the parameters. Just as I want this angle to be 0 degree and value of the length, suppose I take 40, and click OK. And similarly, we can take many number of sides according to our requirement. So I click exit sketch.